Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome to the serene world of calming interiors, where simplicity meets sophistication and your home transforms into a haven of peace. If you're someone who yearns for a clutter-free, tranquil environment, this guide to using white, neutrals, and natural wood in your decor is just what you need. Get ready to embrace a design philosophy that not only looks stunning but also soothes the soul. In today's fast-paced world, your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and recharge. A calming interior doesn't just improve aesthetics, it also impacts your mental health. Studies show that soft colors and natural materials can reduce stress and create a sense of balance. That's where the trio of white, neutrals, and natural wood comes in. These elements work in harmony to evoke an airy, grounded ambience that fosters relaxation. White is timeless, versatile, and incredibly effective at creating a calming atmosphere. It's the color of purity and light, and its ability to reflect and enhance natural light makes any space feel larger and more open. To avoid a sterile or cold look, balance white walls and furniture with warm neutrals and textured accents. Opt for off-white shades like cream or ivory for walls. Pair white furniture with soft throws and pillows in beige or taupe. Use white as a canvas to highlight natural wood and greenery for added warmth. Neutrals such as beige, gray, taupe, and greige, a blend of gray and beige, are the backbone of calming interiors. They provide subtle variation and warmth, complementing the brightness of white while softening its starkness. Neutrals are also incredibly adaptable, allowing you to layer different shades for a rich, cohesive look. Use neutral-colored rugs, curtains, and upholstery. Add depth with cushions in different textures like linen or velvet. Keep the palette consistent but varied to avoid monotony. Natural wood adds an earthy, grounding element to any space. Its organic texture and warm hues bring a sense of nature indoors, creating balance and harmony. Whether it's oak, walnut, or pine, the raw beauty of wood complements the simplicity of white and neutrals. Incorporate wooden furniture like coffee tables, dining sets, or bed frames. Use wooden accents like picture frames, shelves, or bowls. Don't shy away from showcasing the natural grain and imperfections. They add character and charm. The magic happens when these three elements come together. Picture a living room with crisp white walls, a beige sofa adorned with textured pillows, and a rustic wooden coffee table. Or imagine a bedroom with neutral-toned bedding, white curtains, and a sleek wooden headboard. The possibilities are endless, and the result is always a soothing, cohesive space. Balance is key. Too much white can feel clinical, too many neutrals can feel dull, and too much wood can overwhelm. Strive for a mix that feels natural and balanced. If you're enjoying these calming interior decor tips, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button if you find this content inspiring, and don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on creating a serene space. Let's build a community of interior design enthusiasts who share a passion for creating beautiful, peaceful homes. To complete your calming interior, layer in elements that enhance the serene vibe. Think soft lighting, indoor plants, and minimalist decor. Avoid clutter, instead, focus on quality over quantity. Choose meaningful pieces that spark joy and keep the space open and inviting. Opt for warm, ambient lighting with dimmable options. Use table lamps or pendant lights with natural shades. Bring the outdoors in with easy-to-care for plants like snake plants, pothos, or succulents. Stick to minimalistic designs or nature-inspired art. Avoid bold patterns or overly bright colors that disrupt the calm. A well-designed calming interior can do wonders for your daily life. It can improve focus, enhance relaxation, and even boost productivity. By choosing a palette of white, neutrals, and natural wood, you're not just decorating your home, you're crafting an environment that supports your well-being. As we wrap up, remember that creating a calming interior is a journey, not a destination. It's about making intentional choices that align with your lifestyle and personal aesthetic. Whether you're starting fresh or making small changes, white, neutrals, and natural wood are your allies in designing a home that feels like a retreat. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of calming interior decor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring design ideas. Here's to creating a home that radiates peace, beauty, and comfort, one soothing detail at a time.